Hi everyone, if you use tiled charts on your screen, so you have multiple charts on one tab, then you can group them together so that if you change one chart, all the others on the screen also update to the same ticker symbol. So let me show you what I mean. I've just got a chart on Microsoft here, but I'm going to apply a 4-chart page layout that I've previously created. That's got different time frames, different chart types, all my tools and indicators on the screen. But if I wanted to change this from Microsoft to say Apple, so I just click on the daily chart on the left there, start typing Apple, I can then select it and only that chart changes. So all the rest stay with Microsoft, which is not necessarily what I want. So we've got this system here of grouping diamonds. So you can click the little diamond icon and select a color. So as long as they're all the same color, I'm going to just select yellow for these ones. When you update one chart, all the others will update as well. So for example, no matter what chart you click on. So I'm going to click on the weekly chart this time and change it to Apple. So just start typing and then it will select it from the menu. And now that they're all linked, all the charts changed. So that's now a relative swing chart on the bottom left and a monthly chart on the bottom right. Let's do an example with a watch list. So I'm going to open up a watch list of the ASX 200. I'm going to go down to open using page layout, and I've got a 3-chart with a watch list page layout again that I previously created. So big chart in the middle is the daily, I got a weekly and then a monthly chart as well. And as I scroll down the watch list, then they all update. There's no need for a grouping diamond in this instance, but let's say I wanted to change the bottom right one. I don't want that one to update. I want to change this to the XJO, so that's the ASX 200 index. Make that a I've got an alert set on there, that's why that dashed line is there. So because that's now got a yellow diamond and the others don't, those 2 charts will update as I scroll down, but the XJO will remain intact. Now for those of you on professional services that have access to market intelligence charts such as this bubble chart, we can also use the colored diamond as a date control link. So this is a bubble chart next to a chart of the XJO. So these are the sectors, and we've created 1 month change and 1 week change, and then the size is the year to date. So by changing the colored diamond, I'm going to make this one green. You'll see that a green vertical line has appeared on the chart on the right hand side. So I'm going to click and drag that vertical line, and the bubble chart on the left hand side follows on that particular date. So this is a daily chart, so you can see on any particular date how those sectors are performing. Likewise on this weekly column chart, I've got it displayed as columns instead of bubbles. This is the S&P 500 and it's got weekly change. So this is a weekly chart. So as I drag that vertical line, because I've changed it to a yellow diamond, so for this week, the big week of the down week in February, you can see exactly which sectors perform or how each sector performed. Likewise on the big up weeks, which ones how they performed as well. So it's an easy way or a quick way to look at different chart types as well with the date control link. And finally, let's show you the RRG one. So exactly the same concept. S&P 500 chart on the right. This time I've got a red diamond with the sectors on the left, and as I drag the vertical line, you'll see how each of the sectors are located, where they're located on the RRG for relative strength. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.